We're taking a look at AppLovin here on the weekly chart. We ended the day today 483.51, up around almost $21 on the day. Good news upon more good news in here. Price target raised to 575 in here. We ended the day today above this key 473 resistance area. That is going to be key for us to close this candle out tomorrow. We're going to see where this weekly candle can close. If it is above there, then we're going to be looking for a breach and a hold of that $500 level next. That's going to be key for us in here to hold that 473 and then work our way to that 500. Now, if we are below that 473, say we close below that tomorrow or next week, we gap down. Really, there's not a whole lot to save us in here besides the 450 range and then that 425 level. That's kind of what we're looking at here long term on the support. So 425, 450 on anything below 473. If 473 does hold, then we're just going to be looking towards that big $500 psych level. Now, as far as your implied volatility goes in here, IV rank is at 12, so a little bit of juice got kicked in there this week, but obviously a lot of that volatility kind of got sucked out in here today with that big move that we had overall. So you have right around an $8 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration. Next Monday, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $31 expected move. If you go all the way out to September monthlies, right around a $52 expected move. So we're going to see how we end up in here. It looks like you have a lot of open interest coming in on the call side in here, especially those 500s, the 507.5s, the 510s. Just a lot of open interest is to the calls here in that near term expiration. So we're going to see how that affects things as we work into tomorrow and see where we're going to close. But 473 is going to be our main level that we do need to hold. Anything above that, we're looking towards that 500. Anything below 473, 450, and then 425. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.